Alright. I completely chickened out. I got on the water and the boat was rocky. I literally almost went in. Now, I bought this canoe with this setup. I don't know exactly. It's probably more of a kneeler. But I'm sat on that seat with the bean over here. And it was too low. I'm going to have to figure out I'm going to have to do some more research. See why he set this up like this. And I thought I could get away with just trying to go out on the water with this seat, but it's not working. So it's a beautiful day. And I completely chickened out. So, but the plus side is I was able to get out of my car and get it here with no problem by 8 miles. So I'm proud of that. So I'm chickened out. I'll come back with different seats, a different setup.